Welcome back to the channel, Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Honda Civic, a car that has long been a favorite among enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the 2025 Civic is more refined and exciting than ever. Whether you're looking for efficiency, comfort, or a fun-to-drive compact sedan, the new Civic promises to deliver on all fronts. The 2025 Honda Civic continues to build on its solid reputation with a bold and modern exterior design. The front fascia features a slimmer grille and sharp LED headlights that give it a more upscale and aggressive look. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly along the body, enhancing both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. Honda offers several trim options, including the LX, Sport, X, Touring, and the high-performance C and Type R variants for those who crave more thrill behind the wheel. Each trim is tailored to meet different preferences, from budget-friendly practicality to sport-tuned excitement. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic offers two main engine options. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT). For those looking for more punch, there's a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivering up to 180 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharged engine is not only more powerful but also impressively efficient, making it a great option for both city commuting and highway cruising. Fuel economy is another area where the 2025 Civic shines. The base model achieves around 31 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway, while the turbocharged version offers slightly better numbers, depending on the trim and driving conditions. Honda has fine-tuned the Civic's suspension and steering to provide a comfortable yet engaging ride. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or taking a weekend trip, the Civic handles with confidence and stability. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Civic boasts a clean, minimalist interior design with premium materials and a well-thought-out layout. The dashboard features a sleek horizontal design, giving the interior a spacious and modern feel. A 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard, while higher trims include a larger 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster, available in higher trims, provides customizable information for a more tech-savvy driving experience. Passenger comfort has been enhanced with more supportive seats and increased legroom in both the front and rear. The Civic's trunk space is generous for a compact car, with over 14 cubic feet of cargo space, making it practical for daily use, road trips, or even light hauling. Honda has also improved cabin insulation, making the ride quieter and more relaxing. Safety remains a top priority in the 2025 Honda Civic. It comes equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assist technologies as standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, and road departure mitigation. In addition to these, the Civic includes a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert in the higher trims for added confidence on the road. For driving enthusiasts, the Civic C and Civic Type R offer a more thrilling experience. The C comes with a 200 horsepower turbocharged engine and a 6-speed manual transmission, delivering sharp handling and a sporty feel. The Type R, on the other hand, is the pinnacle of Civic performance, boasting a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that produces over 300 horsepower. It's designed for track-ready performance, with aggressive styling, a race-inspired interior, and upgraded suspension components. These performance models continue to solidify the Civic's place among the top sporty compact cars on the market. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Civic is its value for money. With a starting price that remains competitive in its class, it offers a compelling package of design, technology, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to downsize without compromising on quality, the Civic checks all the boxes. Honda's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs makes it a smart long-term investment. In terms of connectivity and convenience features, the 2025 Civic includes multiple USB ports, available wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, and an upgraded Bose premium audio system in the Touring trim. These features enhance everyday usability and comfort, creating a refined driving experience typically found in more expensive vehicles. Overall, the 2025 Honda Civic is a strong contender in the compact car segment. It combines modern styling, efficient performance, a comfortable interior, and cutting-edge technology to create a well-rounded and enjoyable driving experience. Honda has managed to strike a perfect balance between practicality and fun, ensuring that the Civic remains a top choice for a wide range of drivers. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocars Land for more updates on the latest cars. I'll see you in the next video.